Hi, I'm Arsham, and this series of videos about computer science and game development are sponsored by Kitakode. I've started taking a course called CS50 made by Harvard, which gives you all the knowledge you need for computer science and game development. And this series of videos are summarized versions of that course. Feel free to check it out for yourself. Now on to the video. In this video, we're going over yet again another sorting algorithm known as the selection sort. The idea of this algorithm is to find the smallest unsorted element and swap it with the first unlocked element of the array. So let's say we have this array of numbers which are not sorted. So I have to search the whole array to find the smallest value, which in this case is 1. Then we switch it for the first value, then we lock it in its place because it's the smallest value. After that, we look again for the remainder of the unsorted values to find the smallest, which is 2. And since 2 is already in its right place, we just lock it in. Then we continue this procedure until we have a fully sorted array. So the next smallest number is basically 3, so we have to swap it with the position of 5. And then we do 4, which we have to swap it with the position of 5 again. And then we swap 6 and 5. Now we're going to talk about the worst and best cases. In this case, because you already have to go through the elements to see if they're in the right places, would mean that the best case and the worst case are both represented by n power 2. So omega and O would be the same. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please feel free to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching and see you later.